What do you think sets Monty apart from other tax professionals?
Well, our experience with tax professionals has been extended over many years, but we've basically only had one previous to Monty. And this was our first experience. We felt that it was very clear, concise. We came in with the idea we didn't know for sure that we're going to have money do the taxes. We brought our materials and we left them here. We got a comfort feeling right away dealing with staff. In fact, we made that decision before we ever spoke to Monty. And then we had our interview with Monty following that regarding investment strategies. Well, as our tax advisor, having the joint knowledge of both the tax side and the investment side, he's given us a comfort feeling that he's got the big picture, and that's what we know we were missing in the past. So that's given us a comfort level that we didn't have previously. And on the financial advisory side, it's just that he appears to be totally honest, straightforward. As he says, he's investing his money. He treats it as if he were investing or is investing his mother's money, and he treats us the same way. And he just developed the confidence that we said, hey, this is what we want. We don't want to have to look at the market every day. We want you to do it for us, and we're happy with that.
Good. Can you mention some of the specific services he's provided to you? Developing
strategies, where he has provided the service of monitoring and changing accounts as opposed to just staying into one area constantly. Also giving us some educational things in our conversations regarding what we might want to do to better address the next tax year.
So he's done some tax planning with you?
Yes.
Very good. What's the most compelling thing you could say to someone to interest them in doing business with Monty?
The most compelling thing, I probably would start by asking, do you have any doubts at all about the services you're currently getting? And if the answer is even a hint that they are not 100% satisfied, I would suggest they talk to Monty and staff about both tax preparation and investment strategies. Just that comfort level again.
Okay. And do you folks read our monthly newsletter?
We do. I typically jump to the columns such as the college strategies, how you're paying for your kids' college, or some of the educational things, maybe the tax tip of the month or whatever. Even though they may not directly apply to us because we're actually in the retirement stage as opposed to really growing the wealth, I think there's something that can be gained from that, from those columns that may affect us.
Do you have any other comments regarding the level of service that we provide to you?
Well, the level of service is very high. I've dealt with customer service for a long time in my working career, and what I see and feel when I come in, when I make a call, is that you folks, Monty staff, are thinking the customer first. Phone calls are returned. I've had a couple of investment questions. Why did we do this? Or I don't remember why we did this, and they have the answers instantly.
Diane, is there anything that you wanted to add to this?
The only thing I can add is the level of comfort. Again, I tend to worry a lot about where we're going to be a few years from now. I think prior to Monty, I got the same, for the lack of anything better, and it was all that I knew was the textbook answer, is what I felt. Part of that is because I don't understand all of it, which is my fault. But with Monty, I feel like he is watching. Born and raised here in this area, and so was he. I think that gave me a comfort that he was looking out for us, and that makes me comfortable. Yeah.
Very good. Well, I thank you both so much for coming in this afternoon and talking to me. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.